So right now my tail light is out. Whenever I use my blinker or press on the brakes, only one side illuminates. So this is gonna help you figure out how to replace this. Open up the back of your hatch so that you have access to the side of the light assembly. There are these removable clips that you're going to be prying out. They're not in very tight. So you'll just put something in there and kind of twist it out, just like that. This is what you're pulling out. There are two of them. Once you pull them out, you'll be able to see the back of the light assembly. The wire harness is pretty long, so you can do this while setting it down. So you can see when I have the hazards on, or my blinkers, it's flashing the way it should. On this light though, nothing. So the first step is I'm going to replace this light bulb in here. So I actually just wiggled it and it started blinking. So that's interesting. I know that this bulb is old, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it since I'm right here and I have a brand new one right next to me. You know, sometimes these things happen as things get old. You hear it click. Just pop it back in. There's no blinker fluid required. And then you just do everything in reverse. You're gonna wanna and then you put those right back in.